How to upgrade to Spotify Premium from iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can upgrade to Spotify Premium from your iPhone, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to upgrade to Spotify Premium from your iPhone, all you have to do is, first of all, you will not be able to do it from the Spotify app, because if you've been trying to upgrade to the premium version from the Spotify app, you will not be able to do so because Spotify app does not support in-app browsing. So what you need to do is, instead on iPhone you have to simply open up your browser and then you have to come to spotify.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link down below. Then once you come to spotify.com, make sure to sign into your account. After you've signed in, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then you have to tap on the option called Premium, which is at the very top of the screen. So basically, once you tap on the Premium tab, it will take you to a page where you can simply enter your payment details. So you can also go ahead and select all these options and then tap on the Get Started button. Then once you tap on the Get Started button, it will ask you to choose your plan. Once you've chosen a plan, enter your PayPal information or maybe credit or debit card, depending on whatever you want to use. In this case, I'll just select credit or debit card. Then once you've done that, make sure to enter your card number, your expiration date, as well as the security code of your card, and then just tap on the Buy Now button. If your card is valid and there are some balances in it, you'll be able to successfully buy Spotify Premium from iPhone. That's all it takes to purchase, upgrade, or buy Spotify Premium from iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.